Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable always on display on your other Magic8 Lite. If you'd like to do it, it's actually pretty simple. Go to settings, then go to the home screen and style. Now find always on display, click on it and make sure it's enabled. To enable it, you can customize it as well, so you can set it an image from those available here or click on plus to actually set any other one. You can do like some kind of graffiti, whatever that is. I think you can do like some kind of text here. Yeah, you can enter the text by yourself, but it only supports English in some of the fonts, and in some other ones it supports all the languages as well. So it just depends on the font that you choose. What I mean by English is it doesn't support diacritics from other languages or other alphabets. So that is okay. And then you can also do like artistic something. Also some available ones, analog clock or digital clock. I will do a digital clock like this. I can customize its style. I can enable or disable showing the dates, the battery, notification, everything. Let's apply it. And then now when I turn my screen off, you can see that it displays that clock, and that's what it does. And you can't really change when it's displayed. It's always just displayed on a tap. So when the screen's off, it's off. When you tap, you see those little information here. Then it's off again. You can tap again to see that. And that's basically it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.